When planting wildflower seeds, start by thinking about seasons, sunlight, soil, and seeds per square foot. The best times to plant are spring and fall. In spring, plant after your last frost. In fall, plant at least 8 weeks before your first frost or do a dormant planting after hard frost. Wildflowers are sun lovers. At least 6 hours of sunlight is ideal. Measure your area and check the coverage rate of your seeds. Preparation is the key to success for growing wildflowers. Remove all existing growth, including grass and weeds, to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. To spread seeds evenly, mix them with sand. Split the mix into 2 batches. Scatter one batch from north to south, then the second batch from east to west, covering every bit of your prepared soil. Compact seeds into the soil, leaving them uncovered. Give your seeds a thorough soak. You can expect to wait 2 to 3 weeks for germination, 2 to 3 months to see the first annual flowers bloom, and 2 to 3 years to see perennial flowers reach maturity. Once your wildflowers are in full bloom, take time to enjoy them. Watch the pollinators thrive and share bouquets with everyone. Meadowscaping makes it better.